7th budget session of 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly begins. Finance Minister Y. Joykumar presents budget estimate for financial year 2019-2020. High School Living Certificate Examination 2019 conducted by BOSIM begins today with 37,323 students appearing in 139 exam centers across the state. MSU wants to attack Office of Education Minister BOSIM and Education as Directorate if school textbooks are not made available in 10 days. And combined team of Imphal West Commando and 6 Assam Rifles arrest 4 persons including 1 prescribed member involved in planting of an IED at Catholic school in Kanchipur. Hello, welcome to Impact News. You're watching Prime Time English News and I'm Premi Thangtum with the headlines in details. The 7th budget session of the 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly began with an introductory speech by Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah today. Deputy Chief Minister cum Finance Minister Yumnam Joykumar presented budget estimate for financial year 2019-2020. The House paid 2-minute silence in homage to former Tamai MLA and former Family Welfare Minister D.P. Panmay upon his untimely demise. Chief Minister Nongthombam Birain, Opposition Leader Okrami Bobi and Tamai MLA Awangbao Niumai gave obituary reference to late D.P. Panmay. In the first day of the session, Environment and Forest Minister Thongnaujem Shyam Kumar tabled the Manipur Loktak Lake Protection 3rd Amendment Ordinance 2019, Manipur Ordinance number 1 of 2019 in the House. Preceding the session, Secretary of Manipur Legislative Assembly announced the Goods and Service Tax Amendment Bill 2019 and the Manipur International University Bill as 2 bills approved by the Governor on January 23rd this year. Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joykumar also presented supplementary demands for grants 2018-19 and demand for excess grants for financial year 2013-14, 2014-15 and 2015-16 in the House. Joykumar presented budget estimate for 2019-2020 as the last agenda in the session. The Finance Minister said that the total amount of the budget estimate for 2019 and 2020 is around 14,636 crore rupees. The total amount of revenue receipts is around 13,157 crore rupees and around 1,478 crore rupees for capital receipts. Finance Minister Y. Joykumar said that the budget estimate includes 1,185 crore rupees as state-owned tax and 283 crore rupees as non-tax receipts.
Honorable members, the vibrant diversity and proud tradition of our state have always inspired us all to continuously work for inclusive development and common welfare of the people of the state. My government strongly believes in the principle in letter and spirit and doing our best to bring communal harmony with inclusive development.
The total estimate of state's own tax and a non-tax receipt assumed in the budget estimate are rupees 1,185 crore and rupees 283 crore respectively. We are not proposing any change in the existing tax rate. Receipt from the state's share in central taxes and duties in BE 2019-20 is expected to increase by 15% over 2018-19.
Manpack demanded to discuss Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 during the ongoing budget session of the 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly. Speaking to media at JCILP's office today, Manpack convener Yumnamcha Dilip Kumar said the recent statement of February 17 made by BJP National President Amit Shah, who asserted of passing the contentious bill when BJP reigns the centre once again in an open invitation for agitation. Dilip Kumar disclosed that Manipur will organize a mass convention against the bill at the earliest. He said Manipur members will begin house-to-house campaign in northeast states from February 25th to urge people to attend the convention. Taking part in the press meet, Manipur co-convener Ningthauja Lancha affirmed that Manipur will continue to strive against the bill and other racist policies of the Indian government.
BJP ki stand adu hen mayek sengna Amit Shah na phongdok labanina hojik chathariba state assembly asinasu CAB ki mayok ta lei amasung Manipur miyam go loinana chatkani haiba wafam ado Liba assembly session as it is sub whatever Loraga, Masi, India government, the Kangan Toe,
policy Karikari Torpay, ordinance Carmine or Pay, Hybermakugi low shinga to Nainabagi, Adugumba, Hongpong Amasu, Man Pekna, Soidana Miam, Loina Sanksi Lakani Hanitam.
High School Leaving Certificate Examination 2019 conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur began today. Altogether, 37,323 students comprising of 18,452 boys and 18,871 girls are appearing the examination in 139 exam centers across the state. 67 flying squad teams comprising of 4 members each of BOSIM are ensuring a smooth and proper conduct of the examination. Many volunteers of student organizations, guardian organizations, state police extended full support to BOSIM for successful conduction of the examination. It may be mentioned that Prescribed Alliance of Social Unity of Kanglei Park, ASUK, already warned BOSIM officials, exam OC, invigilators and students to abide by the rules of the examination. ASUK also imposed public curfew within 200 meters diameter of every examination center. BOSIM HSLC examination 2019 was conducted smoothly in 3 examination centers at Ziribam Government Higher Secondary School, Borobekra Government Higher Secondary School and R.K. Sanatombi Vidyalaya Ziribam in Ziribam district today. For the first time in the district, CCTV cameras were utilized at R.K. Sanatombi Vidyalaya Ziribam Center. Supervisor Officer of Ziribam Government Higher Secondary School, K.H. Indi Kumar, and Principal of Borobekra Government Higher Secondary School and Examination Officer in charge, G. Manglem, both affirmed that the first day of the examination went smoothly with no untoward incident. President of MSF District Committee, Ziribam A. Rajiv, and President of Desam District Council, Ziribam, L. Bilaks, drew the attention of the relevant authority to install CCTVs at the 2 remaining exam centers. Out of 623 students allotted at the 3 exam center, 5 students were absent today. Ziribam police, invigilators and volunteers of MSU, MSF, Desam and KSA kept a strict vigil in all the 3 examination centers to ensure smooth and fair conduct of the examination. Pangal Students Organization PSO claimed to have come across students using unfair means during today's Class 10 examination conducted by BOSIM at Nilpadma Higher Secondary School Segmai Examination Center. PSO in a press release urged BOSIM to investigate the matter without further delay. Desam also claimed coming across unfair conduction of BOSIM Class 10 examination at Thanga High School in Bishnupur district today. Speaking to media at Desam office in Sagolband, Moirang Laidak today, Desam Secretary General Sidal Oinam intimated that volunteers of Desam came across inefficient invigilators and improper conduct of examination during their inspection in Bishnupur and Imphal East districts.
Marinaba board authorities in the Apinduk Janingbadi, Asigumba exam center Sida Tariba OC amadi invigilator sing asi makha taba examination singda makha ta namon OC go hanbe yaroi invigilator hanbe yaroi makoi gi mathakta action logodobni exam manung da thariba question matau kramna mapanda leak oiraga mapanda gi answer semaga thajalaino haibisigi langla langjin puthokodobni da chenariba oja sing gi mathakta matik chaba action loraga mara leba sing miyam khangna serak pigadobni khata na siguma thodok sing asi thoktanaba yamna section na yengchen baga loinana ahenba board ki flying squad team thajanduna asigumba paw asi amona tadanaba amona thoktanaba miyeng changadubni.
All Manipur Students Union MSU warned of vandalizing BOSEM office, the Directorate of Education S and the Office of Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam by throwing rotten eggs and tomatoes if textbooks for school students are not made available within 10 days. Speaking to media at MSU office in DM College campus today, MSU President Manjit Sarangthame stated that students are facing difficulties due to lack of books even after completion of 1 month of academic session. He termed it unfortunate that BOSEM, who is responsible for making books available, are indifferent to the concerns of the student fraternity. Manjit asked, how can quality education be brought about in the state when books are not made available in the first place? He also said private and missionary school prescribe SCERT books owing to such issues. Manjit further asked how and preparation of common syllabus be possible as proposed by the state leaders, including the education minister himself, in such a scenario. The MSU president demanded the education minister and officials of the relevant department to meet their demands, failing which he warned of intense agitations.
Education minister T.H. Radheshyam kai kumnazaribana education da kadai fawba asan ba mi amda yengkanda aikoi education je chakotlanabo naribagi haibase thamjaning baga loinana aikoi board of secondary education Manipur gi office aduga education minister gi directorate ta mairoi sing na aikoi yirum mapumba kamensin apumbagi khongjang sing haijaba tai aikoi landa chatharoi hainingai leite democratically mairoi sing gi textbook sing ase fangandragadi haitare numit tarani ki manungda masi chapchawa stain ama lenga pairiba lenga ki chukli pairiba concern minister na aduga board secondary education Manipur na miyam da thambiu.
President of Transporters and Drivers Council TDC H. Ranjit said that understanding has been reached with NHIDCL for installing wheel guards at Barak Bridge on National Highway 37 Imphal Ziri Road. Speaking to media at TDC office in MG Avenue today, the TDC president also welcomed the declaration of the weight bridge at Golarthol in Jiribam as illegal by CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam. He said TDC is not against setting up of weight bridge on national highways, but such works should be carried out legally. Ranjit said TDC had earlier opposed to the weight bridge on Imphal Ziri Road as it was operated by a handful of transport department officials along with some private individuals in an illegal manner. TDC appreciated Chief Minister Nongthom Bambiren, Minister Karam Shyam and top officials of CAF and PD for bringing a resolution to the weight bridge issues.
TDC haiba apex body amana adu maina sangyan badagi government na haiba summa pisasi tawibagi damakta thagachari transport department na kayum aran magara tawre haibasi singna badagi ekoina vigilance department da Manipur gi chief vigilance officer chief secretary director SP vigilance da ekoina wakat ama thamgre higher authority gi amadi government gi ayaba yawdana uralona da pithokna ba honana magi damakta ekoi gi TDC gi tarafta gi haibo bisasing matik chaba cherak pigadabani barak thongda Ladiba, Aikogi, wheel guard, Garishing Shina, Magi Tongi Walda, Nadanaba Kotanabaduma, Simjanabagi, Torangama, Equi, Tawahore, Equi Unung Tayari Torcana, Equi, Tubumatam, the Numin Manga, Torungi Manunda, Equi Posation, Tayari Torcana, Equi Tongshima, Equi Shemjelani.
All unions and associations of BSNL Alub Manipur staged protest demonstrations pressing various demands under the banner Save BSNL, Save Nation at BSNL office in Babupara today. Taking part in the protest meet, District Secretary of Alub Manipur, Ningombam Montekumar, alleged the government of undermining BSNL telecom sector. He said, Alub Delhi protested against the same on earlier occasion. Monty Kumar said the association continued the agitation due to indifference maintained by the relevant authority despite repeated pleas to fulfill to their demands. JAC against the unnatural death of Sarat Kumar held a public meeting at Khordak Mayai Laikai Mandap and took various resolutions today. The meeting resolved to demand completion of magistrate inquiry report by April 20th as per agreement between the JAC and the government, provisions for livelihood to people residing near Kaibul Lamjau National Park, etc. It may be mentioned that Kaibul police arrested Sarat Kumar for killing a wild boar inside Kaibul Lamjau National Park on February 15th. He was found hanging in police custody on February 17th. A combined team of Imphal West Commando team and 6 Assam Rifles arrested 4 individuals, including a member of proscribed KCP People War Group involved in the planting of an IED at Catholic school in Kanchipur. The arrested persons are identified as one member of proscribed KCP People War Group, Sanabam Gunajit, one Sagol Sim Sanatomba alias Sanajauba, 30 years, son of S. Sohodeva from Langthabal Moirang Laikai in Thaubal district. Sanabam Sanajauba Mangang, 28 years, son of S. Dabaljit Mangang from Oripo Kombirai Kaithil, and Haishnam Kiran Kumar alias Boynau, 28 years, son of 8 Sanahal from Moirang Khoiru Laikai. 1.32 pistol along with 1 magazine, several live bullets and 1 mobile handset recovered from the miscreants were produced before media persons in the conference hall of SP Imphal West this evening. Speaking to SP Media, SP Imphal West Jogesh Chandra Haubijam stated that the laudable search operation that led to the arrest was carried out under the supervision of additional SP Operation Imphal West Police Tej Krishna Tombi by Officer in charge of Imphal West Commando Inspector P. Achauba Mitai, Deputy Superintendent of Police Imphal West Commando Rojit Irom and 6 Assam Rifles team. He also said the first person to be arrested was proscribed member Sanabam Gunajit on February 16, followed by the arrest of the remaining 3 upon his confession. Further, interrogation revealed that the IED was planted by one Mani under the command of Sanabam Gunajit. He said the IED was planted over issues of said reservation for admission in the school. The SP further disclosed that efforts are on to arrest the 5th miscreant Mani, commandant of 6 Assam Rifles, A.K. Das and other top officers of Assam Rifles were present during the press meet.
Mobile demand letter kaya amasung adagi makoina numitu da ID thamba season naraba activa blue in color akoi da loina maguji cover toba ngamle akoina na ngai masi kana tobuna kamai tobuna besi sigi langla langjing amasung akupa loina mak akoina khangba ngamle aduga akoina hojik mani ko ba miyo ema abscond tobuna leiri masi akoi Imphal West District Police amasung akoi combine team na akoi lep tabikana honorary thinanaba Panganaba, people war group Makogi, admission quota sit Pioidana, Simakayama Tobase, Masi Yaragadi, any underground group na, Masi Sundo Tobigano, education free zone Ohenbu, Adugang sing like Tamapamda, ID Gumba Bong Gumba Tamdana Kotana, Kian Bakolan Base, Sundo Tobigano.
Acting on a tip of a combined team of Commando Imphal East and 26 Assam Rifles arrested 2 members of proscribed KYKL from Kongba Bazaar today. The arrested persons are identified as Yumnam Ibomcha alias Mairaba alias Thabalo alias Sayol, 26 years, son of Y. Nande from Chairen Bhamon Laikai under Suknu Police Station, and Anaubam Jiten Sharma alias Naucha alias Ithoi alias Ningthauremba, 25 years, son of A. Jotin Sharma from Langtabal Kunja Awang Laikai. They were handed over to Iringbol Police Station for further investigation. Imphal West Commando team carried out cordon and search operations at Thangal Bazar area of Imphal West district today. The team, under the supervision of Additional SP Operation Imphal West Police, T.H. Krishna Tombi, carried search operations at MG Avenue, Kalibari and Majorkhul from 7:55 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. A total of 327 individuals were verified and 14 individuals without proper identification proofs were picked up and handed over to City Police Station for further verification. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on a team of Mysore alumni representing financial aids to blood cancer-stricken minor girl Lungthailu Kasum from Noni district. And keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. A team of Mysore alumni today gave financial assistance to blood cancer-stricken minor girl Lungthailu Kamson from Noni district, who is currently undergoing treatment at Janim's Children Ward. Upon hearing the grieving news of Lungthailu, who hails from a poor family, Manipur students in Dubai collected money for her treatment and handed over the amount through Mysore alumni. The alumni team also presented a blood donor card to Lungthailu's father, Chandanlun Kamson, to help in blood transfusion. Assistant Professor of Janim's Medicine Department, Dr. I. Anil, stated that doctors in the hospital have started her treatment successfully. He said bone marrow tests will be conducted without further delay to take necessary steps.
25 January da maze ahan balak pani lakpa matam do impact tv na puraga lakpani matam du somoi village da ki puraga thani pan ma pandi hujik si moi do aina imphal menung da leina ba haina re imphal menung da bhara da lower leiraga step by step ki mo mem da loi loiraga once maintenance obudagi di tha ohum ohum gi mayum da laktoi ni aduga mazu chance of cure se almost 80 to 90% 80 to 90% cure rate have ja sukmati gwanga bane ba adusu akoina manipur gi asugum laba facility asugmati leite leitraga su leitana whatever facilities akoina sinaraga tawbone medicine water so asugmati yam leiri hujik jing patient nipan mo hen lei cancer patient ko ado ngasagi pukchai chaira leiba matam sa aingon su sometime kok ngo we ba karai dana kari leiri kari kok ngo we dana kari gomba cancer gi related some sort of ward pu oiro tongan ba angang ju ahan ju punna gi leiba yabo oiragadi akoida sister da su aingon da su patient jing da su adigi whole manipur gi na kana gani ne khale.
Meanwhile, media persons came across a 10-year-old minor girl from Senapati diagnosed with blood cancer in the same ward next to the bed of Lungthailu Kamson. The girl is identified as Sokapao, daughter of Somer, is undergoing treatment for the last 1 month in the hospital. Speaking to media, Dr. I. Anil urged people to visit nearest hospital to test for blood cancer if one is persistently suffering from fever, fatigue and joint pain. The doctor stated that early diagnosis of blood cancer can increase successful treatment of the disease.
Hatan thokwa na tongna je during induction da ayam oi gelle ba induction je da kai gumba success oi horaga di ayam na hagalle adu patient je matam theng la khraga di infection to khraga di treatment ya de ba adu khoi na ngasi manipur di laiba yam phabaje adu ke badik mongon da count to wanga me mana laibak thi da na manipur de yengam da boiram ba delhi da mumbai da chalam boiram ga di matam do hek mangam ba adum yaroi do ne ba adumai to dana matam je sukim dik maru oi ba mi khra da adu one of them ne ba ma se adumai to dana ma gi su adum hujikti almost akoi na anabudi mang khre adu ga mathangi stage gi hidak mayam je step by step
18 eminent persons, including former Chief Secretary O. Nabikishore, 4 IMC corporators of BJP and 2 ADC members joined Congress Party. Manipur Pradesh Congress Party organized a reception ceremony for the new entrants at Congress Bhavan today. President of All India Trinamool Congress Manipur Pradesh, Dr. S. Manauton, BJP former candidate of Chingai constituency, Sword Vashum, Hyanglam constituency social worker H. Jiten, Pungyar constituency social worker K. James, former member of BJP Oinam Romesh were among those who joined the party. The 4 corporators from BJP are IMC corporator of Ward number 2, 3, 13th and 19. Speaking in the event, MPCC President Gaikhangang condemned BJP for bluffing the people that CAB 2019 was not tabled in Rajya Sabha due to the pressure by BJP leaders of the state, when in fact BJP did not table the bill, fearing rejection being a minority in Rajya Sabha. He has said that Congress always stood against the bill since the start and will continue to do so. CLP leader O. Ibobi urged people to stay away from BJP as BJP National President already declared to bring back CAB 2019 if BJP comes to power again.
MLA already come on the table, Manti already come on the table. I come by my lady about Ranges is out of the back. Come the come. My army lady was. Era, do liable, it is a lay. Low parliament, the locks about the past of the Lava Kanga. Lava Kanga, I think I don't know.
Manipuri music campus is Karishunati, I'm the big area neighbor. Ladiba Army, Manipur Police, Manipur Rifle, Mayam Nundang, him to the loin of Koshalaga, Tamaga, Nongalaga Puma, Pantara, and loin of Topi Ong Tung, Akoi Kariguma, Simnabam Lady, Akoi Uta Sek, Tojage, Hiraga. Adumai Tona Sek over the Karikaibano, Ahim Nongyaida, Commando, Tazalaga, Madada. Tear gas shell capture potter Paitan Tana to the Madu Inesum Kanmada. Other center the gay, Moina Tareba, High Chancellor do, protection toning, nothing behind Batarine. Other than Kaidori, Ghana, Home Minister Naga, State government higher Putagi, Bakat Kiran Kari Tony Mafumarang Kamdan Heta, Sipai Tazalaga Tauruba Male.
Attending the event, aspiring MP candidate of Congress Party, O. Joy, stated that if one wants to save indigenous people of the state and at the same time does not want to disintegrate India, it is high time to uproot BJP from India. He urged people not to be befooled by false assurances of Prime Minister Narendra Modi anymore.
Lokpal, Lok Ayukta Thandana, Bharat ki ngasi ki sason ki senjak tumja se. Masi handanaba tawgane haido madu lokpal gi wa Shri Narendra Modi na tati lok ayukta gi wa Shri Narendra Modi na tati akoi Manipur da su lokpal lok ayukta bill si pass to thamamni Congress matam da moi usibo implement to ko honate
ai thamoi de khwerang khusau ba phada bangon ba puning yon kaya ba phaurak padagi ai musigum lamba chana ba natraga Bharatiya Janata Party ki level tagi hena kado ba itihas ki am sang ba manglam set ki history yam nei ba yamna discipline naiba party ki yamna formality naiba adugum baba natraga sigum ba ghost solution be yara roi abise ki pung de set phajabadagi ani jugo ne Indian National Congress da yaw da ya ti ha period sai ne object ki.
Supporters of Congress aspiring candidate in Outer Manipur Parliamentary for the upcoming 17th Lok Sabha election, K. James accorded him a grand reception after the formal reception by MPCC today. Supporters from various segments of Outer Manipur organized a reception ceremony at his residence in Sangai Pro. It may be mentioned that K. James is awaiting ticket from Congress Party to contest in the upcoming Lok Sabha election.
She may have the heightening, Jim Moiro, Town Moiro, and Duggy Matam City. I went on with the Yada, young Aramba Lake Ray. Madugi Mando, Tamuda, Amata Wairaga, a Tumbado, I wait Matu Sakatavani. I wait a Tumbatamata de Wa the Karkambatai. Wada Vadi, I wait a Tumado Topangam Davani, Wada Vadi, I wait in Nimado Tundavani. Adunina, Karawavatare, I do a Sweden and my partner with Tomsi.
One-day training program on Electronic National Agriculture Market (ENAM) and Model Agriculture Produce and Livestock Market (APLM) Act for enhancing agricultural produces was held in the training hall of Kakching Garden at Kakching Uyokching today. Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium, Masfact, Imphal and Iramdam United Food Producer Company Limited IUFP Kakching jointly organized a program under National Institute of Agriculture Marketing NIAM Jaipur. MSFAC Project Coordinator MS Khaidam, Chairman of IUFP Company Limited Kakching Y Rajendra, KVK Thaubal head and senior scientist Dr. Jesmarani Sarangthem and 50 farmers attended the training program. The International Conference on Interprofessional Team Communication Framework and Challenges in Indian Scenario kicked off in the auditorium of Catholic Medical Center College of Nursing in Koirangai today. The conference will focus on various concerns facing healthcare professionals, including reduction of workloads for healthcare professionals, improvement of patient care and patient safety, etc. 400 healthcare professionals, including doctors, nurses and paramedics, are attending the conference.
Actually, we are holding this international conference so that all the nurses, all the doctors, and all the paramedical students should collaborate together, work together as a team for the welfare and safety of the patients plus non-patients, those are coming to our work, so that we all collaborate together and do the work together, then it will be a successful one.
Free gas connections under Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana were provided to 212 women beneficiaries of BPL families in Mayang Imphal constituency today. Mayang Imphal Block Congress Committee, Youth Congress Committee and Mahila Congress Committee jointly organized the distribution event at Mayang Imphal, Kewa Lokon. MLA Dr. K. Ratan Kumar handed over gas sets and cylinders to the beneficiaries. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. K. Ratan Kumar believed that the gas connections will aid in keeping women beneficiaries healthy by curbing uses of firewoods in cooking, which leads to respiratory diseases. He expressed happiness at the assurance given by MS Pawbaktao Inden Gramin Vitrak to make available 5 kg of LPG cylinders in the constituency. President of Mayang Imphal Block Congress Committee Thauchom Raj Mohan, Youth President K.H. Raja and Mahila President Bilasini attended the event.
Respiratory disorders haibatare masugumba diseases mayam ama tholakpa masi koi kohun basi primary objective amani koi nupi sine empower toba madu maina koi later laira imung singda sing thariba kholiba even koi sidati santhi taraga thaba bhaw yauri thaina koi wine amaga torpa madu mayam du koi cooking gas na sindaraga di madu smoke koi pollution thoktana health hazard oiriba kholiba se masi pharakpa aduga health pharakna bagi damakta akoi hariba yojana asi pangthokpani.
Manikanta Mutum embarked on a lone walk rally carrying the message of no to drugs and stop mob lynching today. The campaign is organized by KALYC Club of Karam, the birthplace of Manikanta. He was flagged off from the western gate of Kangla to proceed towards various districts of the state. Members of Mitai Irol Ieg Loina Silol Apunbalub Milal today condoled the sudden demise of Milal President Thauchom Babulchan. General Secretary of Milal Mutum Manglemba stated that Milal members will continue the works to preserve Mitai language initiated by their late leader Babulchan from Awang Lekinthabi, who died in a road mishap that occurred at Potsangbang Kulen yesterday afternoon around 12:30. Speaking to media at Milal head office today, Manglemba stated that as strived by Babulchan, efforts will be made to modify Manipur Official Language Act to convert the official language into Mitai Mayek. He further stated that Milal will continue to put into efforts for translation of books written in Bengali script to Mitai Mayek and to include Mitai Mayek in the national currency. Manglemba expressed deep sorrows and stated that the untimely demise of Babulchan will remain an irreplaceable void for Milal. The General Secretary regretted that Milal will not be able to conduct inspection on examination days of Mitai Mayek subject for the ongoing BOSIM Class 10 and COSIM Class 12 examinations owing to the sudden loss.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯔꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯆꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯦꯝꯂꯦꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯝꯕ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯆꯠꯄꯗ ꯑꯌꯦꯠ ꯑꯀꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯇꯦꯛꯇ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯕ ꯊꯧꯖꯥꯟꯕꯤꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯃꯦꯡ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯊꯧꯅꯥ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯤꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯂꯥꯏꯟꯗ ꯑꯆꯦꯠꯄ ꯊꯥꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯔꯝꯕ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯍꯤꯔꯝ ꯀꯌꯥꯗ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯈꯨꯠꯏ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯈꯣꯝꯖꯤꯟꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯣꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯇꯝꯖꯟꯕ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯛꯁꯅꯥꯔꯤ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯣꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯂꯣꯟꯗ ꯑꯣꯟꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯣꯟ ꯁꯤꯊꯔꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯂꯣꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯂꯣꯟꯁꯦ ꯇꯞꯅ ꯁꯤꯊꯔꯛꯂꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯕꯗ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯆꯥꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯥꯗ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ 55 ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯂꯣꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ 55 ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯈꯪꯕ 55 ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯟ ꯁꯤꯊꯔꯛꯄ ꯈꯨꯗꯝ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯑꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯝꯕꯤ ꯊꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯝꯃꯤ.
Year-long Silver Jubilee celebration of Manipur Sahitya Parishad Bishnupur district branch concluded today. Silver Jubilee Celebration Committee organized the closing event at Yangoiningthau Community Hall in Bishnupur. Floral tributes were paid to portraits of late members of the Parishad who took pivotal roles. 3 books and the Parishad's 20th journal were released on the occasion. 6th Salam Ibomcha Lakshmi Memorial Sahitya Award 2019 was also presented in the valedictory event. And now the sports news. Forest and Environment Minister Thalmaucham Shyam Kumar kicked off the 41st National Junior Boys Handball Championship 2019 at Komanlampak Sports Complex Indoor Stadium today. The championship, organized by Manipur Handball Association under Handball Federation of India, will continue till February 25th. Inaugurating the championship, Minister Shyam Kumar lauded and encouraged the participating players. Altogether, 500 players from 28 states and 2 sports academy are taking part in the championship. Before we end the bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. 7th budget session of 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly begins. Finance Minister Y. Joykumar presents budget estimate for financial year 2019-2020. High School Living Certificate Examination 2019 conducted by BOSIM begins today with 37,323 students appearing in 139 exam centers across the state. MSU warns to attack Office of Education Minister BOSIM and Education as Directorate if school textbooks are not made available in 10 days. And combined team of Imphal West Commando and 6 Assam Rifles arrest 4 persons, including 1 prescribed member involved in planting of an IED at Catholic school in Kanchipur.